In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resize in Canva and completely for free. Now, usually, if you want to resize the dimensions of your page, we can use Resize and Magic Switch, which is just here. Now, this is a Canva Pro feature, which means that you can't do it on a free account. But there is kind of a little workaround. Now, what we want to do is come over to the home page and then put in the dimensions that we want to use. So for this example, let's change this to inches and do a 6 by 9. We're then just going to click on Create New Design. And now we have the dimensions which we want to resize to. So what we can now do is come over to our original design. We can drag and highlight everything and then just copy by pressing Command and C. Then we can come over to our new design, press Command and V, which is going to paste our original design onto the new one. And then from here, what we're going to have to do is just fit to resize the new dimensions. So what we can do is just make this a little bit smaller like so. Then we can come down to the bottom, we can drag this out like that and adjust everything to fit the new dimensions. But that's how you can easily resize on Canva and completely for free. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.